Hello friends, now we will see the first law of thermodynamics. This law may be stated as follows. First is the heat and mechanical work are mutually convertible. According to this law, when a closed system undergoes a thermodynamic cycle, the net heat transfer is equal to the net work transfer. In other words, the cyclic integral of heat transfer is equal to the cyclic integral of work transfer. Mathematically, we can say that cyclic integral of del q is equals to cyclic integral of del w, where symbol cyclic integral stands for cyclic integral around a complete cycle, and del q and del w represent infinitesimal elements of heat and work transfer respectively. It may be noted that del q and del w are expressed in same units. B. The energy can neither be created nor destroyed, through it can be transformed one form to another. According to this law, when a system undergoes a change of state or a thermodynamic process, then both heat transfer and work transfer takes place. The net energy transfer is stored within the system and is known as stored energy or total energy of this system. Mathematically, we can say del q minus del w is equals to dE. The symbol del is used for quantity which is inexact differential, and a symbol d is used for a quantity which is an exact differential. The quantity E is an extensive property and represents the total energy of the system at a particular state. On integrating the above expression for change of state from 1 to 2, we have to see that q1 to 2 minus w1 to 2 is equals to e2 minus e1. For a unit mass, this expression is written as q1 to 2 minus w1 to 2 is equals to e2 minus e1, where q1 to 2 is equals to heat transfer to the system during the process from state 1 to 2, and w1 to 2 is equals to work done by the system the surroundings during the process, and e1 is equals to total energy of the system at state 1 is equals to PE1 plus KE1 plus U1, and E2 is the total energy of the system at state 2 is equals to PE2 plus KE2 plus U2 is equals to mgj2 plus v square v2 square by 2 plus U2. Okay.